With the ongoing wildfires and current disastrous events taking place in Los Angeles, California, I thought it would be a good time to highlight the importance of safeguarding your home, especially in areas prone to such natural disasters. For those considering a move, it's important to understand both how to find fire-resilient homes and which areas offer reduced wildfire risks. Today, we'll explore these aspects with a special focus on Contra Costa County. With wildfires becoming more frequent, more and more home buyers are prioritizing safety features like fire-resistant construction and defensible space. A recent study showed a sharp increase in demand for homes with fire-resilient upgrades, especially in wildfire-prone areas. But finding a fire-resilient home isn't just about safety, it's also about protecting your investment. Homes built with these features often qualify for better insurance rates and have stronger resale potential. When touring homes, here are the key features to keep an eye out for. Fire-resistant roofing. Look for materials like metal, clay tile, or Class A fire-rated shingles. Exterior walls. Homes with stucco, fiber cement, or brick siding are far safer than wood or vinyl. Windows and vents. Double pane, tempered glass, and metal mesh screens on vents prevent ember penetration. Landscaping. Pay attention to defensible space, gravel, fire-resistant plants, and clear zones around the property. And perimeter fencing. Non-flammable fencing materials like metal or masonry are ideal within 5 feet of the home. And if you're unsure, don't hesitate to ask the seller or your agent about recent upgrades or compliance with fire-resilient building codes, like California's Wildland Urban Interface Standards. Choosing the right location is just as important as selecting the right home features. In Contra Costa County, certain areas are less prone to wildfires, offering an added layer of safety. According to the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection, the central and western parts of Contra Costa County, including cities like Walnut Creek, Concord, and Martinez, are generally not located within designated fire hazard severity zones. These urbanized areas have lower wildfire risks due to their development density and distance from wildland areas. Living in these communities not only provides peace of mind, but also access to amenities and services that further enhance safety. Now, let's talk about where to find these types of homes. If you're searching for a fire-resilient property in low-risk areas, there are a few strategies to help you narrow your search. Here's how to start. First, work with a knowledgeable agent. Look for an agent experienced in Contra Costa County. They'll know the neighborhoods where fire-resistant construction is common. Resources can be found in the video description below. Second, search by building age. Homes built after 2008 in California are more likely to meet WUI standards, which require fire-resistant materials and designs. Third, check listings for upgrades. Listings might mention features like fire-resistant roofs, defensible space, or compliance with local fire codes. Don't be afraid to ask for specifics. Finally, explore new developments. Many modern housing developments in Contra Costa County are being built with fire resilience in mind. Prefabricated homes, which are increasingly popular, often incorporate fire-resistant materials. You can also use search filters on real estate websites to find homes with key features. Look for terms like fire-resistant, WUI-compliant, or defensible space in descriptions. When you found a home you're interested in, ask these questions to ensure it meets fire-resilient standards. What materials were used for the roof, siding, and windows? Is there a defensible space plan in place? Has the home been retrofitted with fire-resistant upgrades? Does the property comply with WUI or other local fire codes? Are there records of wildfire mitigation efforts like landscaping maintenance or vent upgrades? Also, consider bringing in a home inspector familiar with wildfire resilience to assess the property before you buy. Finding a fire-resilient home in a low-risk area is undoubtedly one of the best investments you can make, both for your safety and your financial future. With the right agent, tools, and questions, you can find a home that offers peace of mind even during wildfire season. For clarity, fire-resistant homes significantly improve safety during wildfires, but they don't provide complete protection. Here's why. Fire-resistant materials like metal roofs, stucco siding, and tempered glass are designed to withstand flames and intense heat longer than standard materials. This added durability gives homeowners more time to evacuate and helps reduce property damage. Additionally, features like metal mesh screens on vents and sealed gaps around doors and windows are crucial for blocking embers, which are a major cause of home ignition during wildfires. However, fire resilience does not mean a home is immune to burning, so it's essential to always be prepared. Have an emergency bag ready, create an evacuation plan, and stay informed. If you have any questions or need guidance, don't hesitate to reach out. Resources can be found in the video description below. Together, we can ensure you're not just buying a home, but securing a safer future. Let's focus on protecting what matters most. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for any future updates, and I'll see you in the next video.